Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Pro and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper or the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press the middle button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. And here you will see the option called restart. Once you find it, select it, then tap on the checkmark to confirm and reboot the watch. And now let's wait until the rebooting process is complete. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.